Hi, welcome to IndoWebStudio.com YouTube channel. My name is Doni, and today I'm going to share you a tutorial on creating a full page slider for your WordPress based website. We will be using GeneratePress Premium, GenerateBlocks, and a slider plugin called the XO Slider. A full page slider is a design element that occupies the entire viewport. It stretches from top to bottom and from left to right. It allows us to showcase image, message, or any content we want, providing a delightful user experience as visitors explore our website. Before we begin, please take a moment to view the slider we'll be building. As you can see, the image change and animate at a specific intervals within the full viewport. Furthermore, a slider can be utilized for various purposes, such as showcasing a portfolio, announcing events, or promoting or popular content. While maybe some UX designers do not recommend of using it, I think if we implement it in the right situation, the full page slider can be an essential and valuable addition to our website. Make sure you have GeneratePress Premium and GenerateBlocks installed on your WordPress website. Additionally, install and activate the XO Slider plugin to help us create the slider. Okay, without further ado, let's proceed with the tutorial. Okay, that's it. We've managed to create a full page slider for our WordPress website using GeneratePress Premium and XO slider. As you integrate the full page slider into your website, remember to approach it with a balance of creativity and usability. Consider how it complements to your website's overall design and enhance the user experience. I hope you found this tutorial valuable. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please do not hesitate to reach me out. If you also enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more content like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Wish you the very best to your WordPress journey. Happy sliding, and until next time, take care. See you. Goodbye.